Hi, Paul.
Hi there, Dee.
We've got a workshop on this Thursday, Emotional Attachments, an Inner Child workshop.
Yes, it's going to be the first workshop that we're doing in this set of workshops in the second part of March. And we think this will be a very interesting and deep workshop. And we'd love to have you along to join us if you feel it would be right for you.
Yes, of course, when we talk about emotional attachments, we do talk about how we relate to others and how we actually form bonds. And of course, the very first bond that we make is the one with our mother. Isn't that right, Paul?
Well, it could be with our mother, it could be with our father, it could be displaced in different ways. And the way this works is really that we form emotional attachments when we're little. There may be something where we feel we want nurturing in some way, and we decide we need to do this to get the nurturing that we need. And so we form an attachment to it that to get that nurturing, we have to behave in a certain way. And these behaviors through the emotional attachments are things which can be transferred into our later life as we get older into similar kinds of situations. And so when we get to be adults, we may wonder, well, I need to grow now. I need to free myself from patterns which no longer are serving me. So we might find that some of these attachments also are keying into different behaviors which actually don't need to belong to each other. So, yes, you'll have to ask yourself, well, I need this nurturing in my life, but is this other behavior something that really I need to have with it? So, we're going to do a lot of searching in this workshop to try to help you get to the root of these issues and help you to become free, to make a better relationship with what you need and what you love and how you can find your inner freedom. So,
Sounds great.
I think I talked quite a bit then, Dee. Is there anything you'd like to add?
No, I think that's pretty much spot on. And of course, as the soul grows, it will need other forms of nurture. And this is what happens sometimes with emotional attachments. We outgrow the form that they actually represented to us as children. We need more, and we need to really come to an understanding of what exactly it is that we need, and how can we form a form of attachment that comes from love rather than fear that it may somehow not eventuate, or love may not come. So I think it should be a really interesting workshop. And for those in the Australian East Coast that are observing daylight saving time, it'll be this Thursday, the 18th at 7 p.m. And for our friends in the UK, it'll be Thursday morning at 8 a.m.
All right. Thank you for listening and watching this, and we'd love to have you come along and join us.
Yes. See you
Hmm.
soon.
See you. Bye.
Bye.